G'day, welcome to the Learn Today and Earn Tomorrow video series. We're talking about We're talking about first impressions with online inquiries. Look, a lot of tradies use online tools to get work. And this method might be faster, but it can come across as really cold. Your clients may not see the value in your offering, and it also always leaves the ball in their court. So, to win your next big job and to build trust, be a human being. So here are 3 tips for improving your first impressions with your clients. Number 1, please stop SMSing and emailing. What kind of first impression do you think an SMS or an email says about you? It says to the client, look, I'm just too busy. I don't care for your interruption and I just want to keep going with my day. So number 2, start calling each inquiry. When you call, you create this human connection and you're actually going to find out more about that individual and their problem, and who knows, it could end up with becoming a lifetime client. Number 3, book a face-to-face. When you're face-to-face, you further that human connection, and this helps you because when you're face-to-face, you can also create a specific customized quote, hitting the needs and the wants of that customer, and they're going to value it much higher than just a quick low price online. So follow these 3 steps to create the best possible first impression and let me know how you go. As always, reach out if you need help implementing this into your business.